Top 5 reasons to get a new garage door and opener. Number 1. Enhanced curb appeal. A new garage door can significantly enhance the overall appearance of a home. It's a focal point of many residential properties and can greatly contribute to the curb appeal. Modern, well-designed doors can complement the architectural style of the house, giving it a fresh and updated look. Number 2. Increased home value. Upgrading to a new garage door is an investment that often provides a high return. Potential homebuyers are often attracted to properties with updated and well-maintained features, including a garage door. It can contribute to increasing the overall value of the home. Number 3. Improved security. Newer garage door openers come with advanced security features, such as rolling code technology, which enhances protection against unauthorized access. This is particularly important for homeowners who want to ensure the safety of their vehicles, tools, and other valuables stored in the garage. Number 4. Energy efficiency. Insulated garage doors contribute to better energy efficiency by helping to regulate the temperature in the garage. This is especially important if the garage is attached to the house. A well-insulated door can prevent heat or cold from penetrating, making it easier to maintain a comfortable temperature inside the home and potentially reducing energy costs. Number 5. Convenience and smart technology. New garage door openers often come with smart technology features, allowing homeowners to control and monitor their garage door remotely through smartphone apps. This adds a layer of convenience, enabling users to open, close, and check the status of the garage door from anywhere, providing peace of mind and control over their property.
Come to the country and save. We're located at 33B East Street in Hebron, Connecticut. Our phone number is 860-228-1383, and you can see us on the web at firesidesupply.net.